Yo, guys, I'm funded seven figures in prop firm capital as of today. I just got the emails. This was a 2023 goal, get seven-figure funding in prop firm capitals, and I got all the way to 800K in the summer. Got about $40,000 in payouts. Got on the leaderboard back-to-back months, True Forex funds, and then I lost my accounts. I was in drawdown for 6 months. I still haven't got the payouts, but I'm coming out. Now, today it's 7 a.m. on a Friday, and I normally would not be online, but and I didn't sleep very well. I normally wouldn't be trading, but the reason I am is because the Nikkei is giving me so much opportunity, and I have so much risk on. I know I need to. I'm in danger of intraday drawdown on my funded account because it's up so much. If I don't come in and adjust my stops, I'm going to work today. I don't want to have to do this during work. Alternatively, I would have to do this during alternatively I would have to do this during Sunday, right at the Sunday open. But this is gonna stress me out all weekend. So I'm gonna do it now. Okay, and just to show you guys the emails that I got. It looks like it just kind of happened a little bit ago, but two of these, um, 2 hours ago, I completed my phase with this drug funding. I completed two 400Ks. We did it, boys. So, I have a list of things to do here. I have a couple different accounts. I have a couple accounts where I want to add an advance on my silver. And then if my phase two SFT is past PT, I want to take it. I want to set a profit target on that. And I need to de-risk my funded account. It's up too much. So let's go ahead and take a look. I have up to an hour. Hopefully don't want to spend an hour because I need to, um, yeah. So these ones are past. This is how I organize. When you're trading a lot of challenges at the same time, this is necessary to do. I closed my platinums, and then prop challenge results. Both of these, and it looks like I passed them in 2 days. Passed these. We'll get to the charts in a moment, and you'll see how I did it. But it's this Nikkei trade that I've been talking about. You can see part of my passwords. I don't care. You cannot see the whole password. So I'm gonna have 400K funded plus and then when you combine that with the SFT, that makes seven figures in funding. Okay, let's go take a look, see what's going on. What was the trade that pushed us higher? Was it silver? Pushed us higher? It may have been. Where are we? So this one hasn't really moved. Just fine, but my stop's gonna have to go here. Okay, silver. So let me look at my to-do and my positions. There's also GBP. So interesting. Yo, the auto close feature is amazing. Gotta love that. I guess a combination of the silver and the Nikkei. So this one, you can see here, this is my funded account. I'm floating 17,000 right now. And my concern is I would could lose 10,000 in one trading day. So let's go ahead. This is my phase two. 420. That was the profit target. Okay, you can delete these because um, we got where we needed to get. 420. Okay. So now I have 6 accounts. Um, and yes, I guess let me show you because this part's going to be a little bit tedious. But what happened was, I guess these accounts 2 hours ago, right here, we had profit target because GBP was up here. And then silver was up here, which regardless, I'm gonna break even silver and I'm gonna add an advance on a few of my accounts. I'm super happy I closed platinum because my stop was right here. Gold looks okay. But it's this Nikkei trade, which my original position, you can see how much it's up. And yeah, I've just been creeping up my stop. So today, I'm most likely gonna put my stop right here. Um, yeah, I mean, it's the best performer, crypto. I had a sh So this is kind of interesting. I had a short idea, sell the news. Yeah, the ETF is so funny too. I didn't get filled on it, but I actually took down this limit order on most of them because I was worried about having too much risk. But yeah, that's funny. Look at the look at the ARK shares Bitcoin ETF. I knew this would happen. It's like a Coinbase shitcoin listing, basically. Bitcoin getting listed on the ETF is like a shitcoin getting listed on a um yeah, it's fucking funny. Okay. Um okay, so let's log into the accounts. So FTMO, skilled funded trader. I have my two skilled funded traders, and then I have the funded trader. I have the funded trader. So one of the ideas was if this account was at profit target. So this I'm just gonna leave this. This one. Why don't I have silver? I think I closed silver. I was just worried, like, look how little balance I had left. But yeah, that's fine. I won't add an advance. I'll just keep that. This one, no, I'm not, I cannot be worried. I'm not worried about intraday drawdown on this one. I'll add to silver on this, add to silver on this. So I'm going to add silver on these ones, advance silver, and then walk all my stops up. Um, then I guess I'm going to remove my Bitcoin limit order because it kind of went without me. And I'm not going to chase him, but didn't get filled on that. You know, this is one thing I don't really like about limit orders sometimes. Because for Bitcoin, when I set that limit order, price was like right over here. So I missed this whole trade when I could have just entered like this or something like this. and it would be running to our, I mean, really, I kind of think I should have set the limit order at the 48K high because I knew everybody was going to TP there. ETF news was out. Seemed like a nice top. Um, ETH is strong, but also looks toppy though because it's rounding here. I don't feel the need to trade crypto right now though. I mean, I would do it in a couple of these accounts, but I don't think Bitcoin is really set up for it. Right now, it's could even mean revert long. If you look at the daily, we just took out this low right here, so yeah. Okay, so let's look at silver. So I'm gonna advance silver on all of them. What's going on? Is there some kind of news? Let me check. Silver news. Regardless, I am going to do an add an advance here. It's going to be a small add in advance, and it's just going to be on these three accounts. Whatever I have, I'm going to add half. And then I'm going to put my stop at break even. Or a little above, I guess. So on this one, if I have 0.2 on silver, and like this is bringing me out of, wait, what happened here? Did this one have a loss overnight? Or no, that's what I had. Okay, XAG. Oh, I got stopped out of soybean. Finally. No, I can't. Did I close soybean? No, yeah, I got stopped out of soybean finally. So soybean finally lost. I want to log my losses, my trades here. Soybean was a loss. It's only the 12th. Soybean was a loss. This is how you guys got to be organized. -1 on a loss. Platinum was a little more than a 1 hour win. Closed that last night. This one is still running. This one's still running. On 11. Platinum was a win. I mean, technically, I'm only up a little bit, but I'm floating massive fucking profits on the Nikkei. I'm doing this, it's a home run strategy. I just try to survive. And then, I mean, this one is up like what, 17R? Okay, so silver, I have XAG, new order. Again, I'm just going to do whatever I had, I'm going to do half. 0.1, so 0.05. This one I had 0.4, so I'm going to do 0.2. Thinking about just cutting the Forex trades. I don't really care about them. I'm always losing on Forex. Doesn't really look like a great signal. Let's just do that. I don't really like them. I don't really feel a strong need to be in them. I just don't really love it. Oops. I close all my Forex trades. Don't have it on this one. I could maybe actually Okay. This one I wanted to add silver to. I had one, so I'm gonna add half. This one I don't have. I'm not gonna do anything on this one. This one, I do have silver here. Um, I don't think I'm gonna add here. So let's go for the silver and then advance all my stops to 22.7. This is the tedious part. I might go back to using a trade copier at some point. Yeah, I probably will once I have a payout coming, but I was losing money for so long that I was like, there's no reason, just need to cut expenses. But now that things are kind of going better again, 2.76, yeah. So I need to advance all my Japan stops, and then that's going to be it. 22.76. No, 76 is not right. Yeah, yeah, it's okay. I mean, I don't like the local price action. But okay. Um, Let me go to a position size calculator. So for instance, for this account, I have 30, 60, 100, 130, 100 and, yeah, okay. 60, 100, 130, 160, 170, 200, 245 contracts. So I want to make sure I don't blow up, right? So it's at 35, 200 and, what did I say? 245 contracts. Okay. 245 contracts. So from 35,630 to, where am I going to put my stop? I'm going to put it at the low of this day at 35,176. And I want to make sure I do not lose more than this much. Okay, 240, right? So I'm actually, um, I'm actually would be close to losing it, and with silver, right? So it's actually 240 times 10 is 245, 2,400 contracts. So for me to blow up, I could lose, I could have up to 30, this many contracts. But given that, I want to close my silver position because if silver comes back and the Nikkei comes back, it could blow my account. So I'm going to cut that. This one, I'm less concerned about because the position's not as big. So I'm not going to worry about that one. This one, do I want to add to JPN? No, because you look where I'm positioned. So let me just advance my stops to 35. I want to see what the Nikkei looked like when it closed too. Yeah, I'm going to put my stop at 35, 1, yeah, about 35, 35, 200. And then that's going to be it for the day. So that's going to be it for the weekend. Actually, that's going to be it until um, that's going to be it until well, I need to come back and check to make sure I'm not blowing up, but it seems like that's going to be it until the Tuesday open on Monday, actually, or the Monday candle close. So I wish there was a way to group. Also, by the way, just so you guys know, I hope it doesn't come down to this, but I'm worried about the possibility that prop firms will no longer serve U.S. customers. And if that happens, I'm going to probably open to manage money instead of, I mean, I have two options if that happens. Like with prop firms, I'm not undercapitalized. I'm but without prop firms, I am undercapitalized. So if I don't have a prop firm, I have two options. The one option I want to go with is managing money. I don't want to do that right now, but it is something I would do. So if you have money that you want to be, it needs to be like at least 25, 50, 100,000 plus. The other option is selling a fucking course in community, which I really don't want to do, but I guess I understand why some traders will do it because you might actually have an edge and be profitable, but you're undercapitalized and you didn't consider managing money. I would rather manage money than run a course or community. So, so yeah, there it is. I think I'm gonna try to wait for another payout before I sign up for more challenges. Anyways, again, I hope neither of those things happen, but my concern is if prop firms go down to US customers and I'm not able to circumvent it, it's something I will do. Okay, so here's an error I made on FTMO. You see how small my profits are on the Nikkei? It's because I missed a digit on the contract size because these are 1 instead of 40. So I should be up $5,000 and coming out a drawdown on this, but I'm not. But it's just an error I made. I'm not going to be too mad about it. Same with this one. This one I should have about $500 in profit, which would be helping quite a bit. But it is what it is. You know, I passed 800K, so. Okay, so at this point, um, my plan is to do nothing. On Sunday, I might need to check to make sure, like, if price is way up here, I'll need to TP at the open or advance my stop. But as it is, um, yeah, there's nothing to do. I'm not interested in a position on the American indices. I liked the Bitcoin short, but it ran without me, and I mean my capital has been productive otherwise. Um, Stop is so would have to be so wide. Yeah, I'm just not. I'll come back to that. None of the accounts I really have an appetite or need for more risk anyways. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do anything in currencies. Nothing looks too good. So if, whoa, So it finally stopped me out. Wow, interesting. Yeah, much love, guys. Thanks for the support and watching, and let's get it. Silver. I don't have the silver one in this one. Don't have these. This is not in position right now. Okay, much love.